All that paper, hard drive space, and time. And for what? 50 seconds of footage. Here you go, guys. This print actually took less time in real life than it did to render. But all of this is procedural, so I can reuse this for any G-code or time-lapse I want in the future. And as you can see here from the color changes and the organic light, you can do a lot in the digital space. More importantly, it doesn't put wear and tear on my camera. It also wastes a lot less plastic. Looking back on this, the subject matter I chose to print was really boring, so when I do a second render of this, it's going to be something a little more organic. Special shout out to Cameron for donating to our Patreon. If you really want to help us out too, go ahead and share the video with anyone you know who might be interested in this sort of stuff. It's hard to get reach out there without people sharing. Thank you. Sayonara!